Hey guys. Okay, so I just got in from my super awesome workout. I decided I'm going to start doing my workouts in the morning because trying to do them at night is how I initially thought I was going to do it. And you know what? By the time I get the kids to bed, I'm exhausted and I want to work. Good time to, get on the phone and make calls and hop on the computer. So today was my first day. It's day 7 of my challenge, and it was my first day of doing my morning workout. So I got up this morning. I rode 2.5 clicks to yoga. Did an awesome hour of amazing yoga, got a really good workout, dripping sweat, and then I hopped back on the bike to ride my other 2.5 clicks home. Last 2 clicks of my bike ride, it absolutely started pouring rain, so it's not just sweat, I'm soaking wet, I feel awesome. That was exactly what I needed from this, guys. So now I am here. I'm going to make my post-workout shake. I've got my super awesome organic spinach, and I have my frozen bananas, or fresh organic bananas that I cut up last night. I put in just a little Ziploc bag. Super hard to find just bananas frozen. So I don't really like to put ice in my shakes, but I do like them cold. So I find just a few chunks of the frozen bananas, some spinach. Today we're going to go with some unsweetened almond breeze. Sometimes I buy vanilla, sometimes I buy original. Costco has amazing price on the original almond milk. A box of 6 is I think about $9. So just enough liquid in there to cover everything in there.